Hello friends, do you want to make GIFs like this? If yes, then watch this video till the end. I will show you how to make trending GIFs for free. Let's start the video. First, go to any browser and search Miss GIF. Then, you'll come to the interface of Miss GIF. As you scroll down, you'll see a list of super popular GIFs. If you don't like any of the options, you can also search for your own, like Captain America for example. This will bring up a whole bunch of different options. Once you found the GIF you like, just click on take photo of yourself, or better yet, choose one of a friend or anyone you want. Once you found it, click on let's face swap. Check this out. After a few seconds, the AI will generate this face swap GIF. Let's not lie, does such a damn good job at making it look real. The crazy thing is that all of this is absolutely free. Once you've signed in, you pretty much get unlimited generations, which is honestly kind of perfect for sending to your friends as a joke. I tried, it's too crazy. So what are you waiting for? Go and make some trending GIFs now and send them to your friends. See the reaction. If you learned something new from this video, then like, comment and subscribe to my channel for amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the new video.